Hello, welcome to my channel. I'm just going to show you an FPGA clock which I have designed on the Terasic D0 board. You can see it here written the Altera Terasic DE0 board, and you can get this board in different sizes and specification. They're cheap and you can get them from eBay, wherever. Essentially, this is a 6-digit clock being displayed on a 4-digit display module. Now you see this thing here, this square here. This is basically a digit. So we have 4 digits of the clock, and I have designed the clock to operate in hour-minute mode and in minute-second mode. At the moment, the clock is displaying in minute-second mode, and if I press push button 1, this is the functionality I added. It should go to hour-minute mode. Like you can see, it's showing 8:07, and you see it's showing 47 seconds. So we should see the minutes of the clock increment by 1 when it gets to 59. So that's 5, 9. So you see it was showing 7 initially here, and now the minutes has incremented by 1 to make it 8. So if I press push button 1 again to check the hour, to switch to hour-minute mode of the clock, you should see that it's displaying 8:08. As you can see, 8:08 over there. And obviously when it gets to, when I've designed it so that when here is 9, when the units of the seconds is 9, the tenths of the seconds would increment by 1. You will see it when it gets to 4, when it gets to 9, so it will be 39. By the time it's 39, here will be reset to 0, and yeah, obviously here to 4. And I've done it so that when it gets to 59, it's 5 and 9. Now the minutes will be incremented by 1, so you would have 9 minutes here, and this should reset itself to 0, 0, and carry on counting. So you see it's 9 minutes, so it should be showing 8:09 at the moment if I press hour-minute mode by pressing button 1. So hour-minute mode. Okay. So another functionality I wanted to talk about was to do with the display. So the display for the blinking seconds. So you can see that at the moment, every second, this segment here, this digit here is refreshing itself. So it goes 4, 5, 6, or it keeps counting. So for each second, this comes on, and in the next second, the other one comes on. So it goes like 1, 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, just like that. So this is just to indicate how the clock ticks. I mean, it's down to preference really. You could choose to use just one LED, which is this blinking dot, to come on and off every maybe half a second. You know, it depends. So now it's showing 10 minutes. Obviously, you remember earlier on it was showing 8 minutes and incremented to 9, and you see that when it got to 9, the tenths of the minutes incremented by 1, so that we can have 10 minutes, and this was set back to 0, which will obviously refresh itself when this 2 here gets to 59. So until when it gets to 9 again, then this will become 2. So let's just wait for it to get to 11 minutes. So now it should be showing 8:11 if I switch to hour-minute mode by pressing this button again. You can see 8:11, and obviously the clock's still working. At the moment, the only thing I'm thinking of incorporating into the clock is an adjustment functionality, so you can adjust the time and set the time. So basically it's a 12-hour clock, And so when it gets to 12, now it's 8:11. So when it gets to 11:59, so if it gets to 11 hours 59 minutes, yeah, 11 hours 59 minutes, and if it gets to 59 seconds, yeah, it should be set such that here it will go to 0 0 0 0, and obviously the clock would come back to obviously 12 o'clock. It will go to 12 o'clock, and yeah, so there will be no functionality like 13 o'clock in the clock. So we won't have like 14 hours up to 24 hours, not a 24-hour clock. So after 12 you should switch to 1 o'clock. So this is what I have for you guys, and when I build in the new functionality, I'll come back with another video. Thanks for watching. Bye bye.